So here's an aluminium U-shaped U-profile. Aluminium profile. Let's insert it into the vise. Should use a paper not to scratch it. Let's insert it. There's the angle grinder, metal cutting disc, by the way, aluminium is not making almost any sparks, 99% no sparks. This is hot. I cannot touch it. So it heats up. Aluminium is a good heat conductor. But that heat has to go somewhere. It's too hot. Now here's another cut. Here I have to cut it at 45 degrees. I added just a few dots there. I have to cut out this side and the side plate there. Now I will insert it with the U shape that way, pull it that way so it will vibrate less. So I have to cut the top and the bottom. Now it looks like this. Metal is pushed away and it's warm. So try not to cut it on the side, cut it more into it, not perpendicular on it, because the metal will be pushed away. Now I can use a file to remove that. Now let's try to do this longitudinal cut and then the sides. Let's analyze what happened. So it looks like this. So there's the opening there. Now the two sides. Now when cutting this and that, you have to be cautious. Let's remove that. Not to cut into the lower one also, and not to cut into the top one. Now get the file and clean up those edges. Now we have better lighting here. So it looks like that. And it's not exactly at 90 degrees. This is way too rough. It's for wood, but let's just try it. It can eliminate these parts. Now here it will scratch the top if I continue there. Something like that. There is more here. Okay, after this we need a much finer file. There's the marker, the black one. The side is fine. I'm trying to correct that angle a little bit. The corner a little bit. Okay, now clean it up using a more precise file, a finer one, and that's it. Cutting aluminium. Now here's a more fine file. I can feel here the edge. It's already better. The corner inside. I scratch the top. The corner. Inside corner, outside corner. Now this portion is rounded. I can insert it into tighter areas. Remove the marker also. That requires scratching. Around the edges so it will not cut you. And it's kind of okay. The corners. And it's done. Aluminium profile cut with an angle grinder and smoothened using files. What did I see? This edge. I'm going to scratch the top. Something like that. A bit more polishing using an even finer material. Should eliminate that also. And that's the destination. That's why I cut it out here, so that I can pull it onto the top, just like this one on the side. But there is paint, so I have to file that off. At an angle. Here's a screw, that's because there is a piece of wood here. And here's another screw. Well, there's a piece of wood there. One and another, so I have to cut it here also. Great. But let's just check it. So that should enter there. And theoretically it should slide down. It is not sliding down. I have to remove from that wood. it begins to slide here onto the wood. Maybe it will be okay here also. There is a gap here above, so that should be fine. It was hammered using a piece of wood and a hammer from above. It's not perfect. There's a gap, whatever. There's a cutout, another cutout. Scratches are visible. Maybe I should hammer it more here.